this guide, you will learn how to fix Messenger video call not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is check if Messenger has permission to access your camera and microphone. For that, launch settings. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find Messenger and launch it. Now here you're going to find the option of camera and microphone. Make sure you have toggle on for these options. In case you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and again enable it. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Messenger. Click on it. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated app versions can sometimes cause calling bugs and connection issues. Lastly, check the server status of Messenger. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Dan Detector. Search for Messenger. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.